Want to add a professional job board to your WordPress site so people can post and find opportunities all in one place? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do just that, step by step, using the free WP Job Manager plugin. By the end of this video, you'll have a working job board that's ready for listings, and you'll know how to manage every aspect yourself, no coding required. Let's get started right away. First, before anything else, you'll want a working WordPress website with your own domain name. If you're already set up on WordPress and can access your admin dashboard, you're in great shape. If not, take a moment now to finish those basics. You can always pause this video and come back. Remember, having access to install plugins is essential for this tutorial, so double-check that you're logged in as an administrator. With your site ready, it's time to add the WP Job Manager plugin, which is the engine behind our job board. Head into your WordPress admin panel and click on Plugins in the menu. Now hit Add New. There's a search bar right at the top, so go ahead and type WP Job Manager. You should see the plugin pop up. Quickly look for the one with lots of positive reviews. Click Install Now. This bit might take a few seconds, but once the button changes to Activate, give that a click. Now the plugin is officially part of your site and ready to work its magic. After activation, WP Job Manager will prompt you to run its setup wizard. I highly recommend saying yes to this. Think of it as your guided tour for setting up the basics. Click Run Setup Wizard, then Start Setup. You'll see a list of important pages that make your job board function, pages like job listings, post a job, and the job dashboard. It's smart to keep all these selected, then hit Create Selected Pages or Confirm. The plugin will automatically create these pages and insert the shortcodes needed behind the scenes. No need to worry about technical details. If you're someone who likes doing things manually, you can always skip the wizard and create these pages yourself later. Just make sure to add in the correct shortcode like Jobs, Submit Job Form, or Job Dashboard in the page editor. Now that you have the pages set, let's fine-tune the job board to match your needs by configuring the plugin settings. Go to Job Listings in your dashboard and click Settings. Here you'll find some key sections. For the general settings, you can add a Google Maps API key if you want job posts to include map locations. This takes your board from basic to super helpful in seconds. In the Job Listings tab, you can decide how many listings show per page, whether expired jobs are hidden, and if you'd like to enable categories and job types. Every job board is different, so feel free to personalize these settings. Now, under Job Submissions, choose whether you require users to have accounts to post a job, whether listings need admin approval, or even set how long a job post stays active before it expires so your board stays fresh. Finally, on the Pages tab, do a quick check and make sure all the pages created earlier are assigned to the correct functions. If you spot any issues, you can easily switch or reassign them. You're ready to post your first job. You can do this from the backend if you want full control, or from the front end so your users feel empowered. To add a job from the backend, go to Job Listings, Add New. Fill in all the job details: title, description, location, job type, and company info. Just imagine you're posting a job for your own organization and then hit Publish. If you want to test the front-end experience, log in as a user and find the Post a Job page you created. Fill out the form and submit the job listing. It's that simple. Finally, let's make sure your job board is easy for visitors to find. Go to Appearance in your WordPress dashboard, select Menus, and add the Job Listings page to your navigation menu. Don't forget to hit Save Menu. Now, anyone visiting your site can access your job board with just a click, and that's all it takes to set up a dynamic job board on WordPress with WP Job Manager. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and if you have any questions or if you run into any snags along the way, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Good luck with your new job board.